Today I've got something really cool from Temu that totally adds a touch of class to your car interior. It's the sports car design tissue box holder. This thing looks sleek, modern, and surprisingly high-end for the price. So, first impressions. The packaging was neat, and when I pulled it out, I was impressed by the faux leather texture. It's not that cheap, shiny plastic look. It's got a matte finish that feels soft and premium. The one I got is black with brown accents, and honestly, it matches my car's interior perfectly. It fits right over the armrest, so it doubles as a small organizer too. I've kept tissues inside, but you can also tuck in napkins or wipes. One cool thing is the sporty stitching detail. It gives that race car vibe without being over the top. Now, let's talk practicality. Some reviewers mentioned it's a bit tight for larger tissue boxes, and that's true. If you use smaller packs, though, it works perfectly. I personally just refill it with loose tissues or napkins instead of inserting a box. That way it doesn't jam and still looks great. I'll show you the inside. It's simple but sturdy. The top flap pops up easily, and the tissues pull out cleanly without tearing. The base has a little grip, so it stays in place even on bumps or turns. And honestly, this thing just elevates the look of your car interior. When friends get in, they notice it right away. It looks way more expensive than it is. Let me read a few real reviews from Temu buyers so you get a full picture. One user said, "Item arrived exactly as advertised." Another said, "Gorgeous." A couple mentioned that larger tissue boxes can be tricky to fit, but everyone agrees it looks beautiful and stylish. So if you want to add a touch of luxury or just organize your car's armrest area, this is a solid pick, especially for the price. I'd recommend pairing it with other leather look accessories if you want a consistent theme. You can find this on Temu. Just search for sports car design tissue box holder. And don't forget to use my Temu coupon code COM93176 to save up to 30% off your first order. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more Temu finds, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of Temu product you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.